Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best 14 bandsaw is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a metalworking enthusiast, or just starting out with DIY projects, a bandsaw can significantly enhance your capabilities. This video will dive deep into the world of 14-inch bandsaws, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you make an informed decision for your next purchase. Number 5. Grizzly G0555-14 1 HP Bandsaw. This bandsaw is equipped with a robust 1 horsepower motor. It is designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease and efficiency. The bandsaw is pre-wired for both 110V and 220V, offering flexibility for different power setups. You can easily switch between voltages to suit your workshop's needs. It boasts a maximum cutting height of 6 inches and a cutting capacity at the throat of 13 to 12 inches. This allows it to accommodate larger workpieces. Featuring all ball bearing construction with upper and lower ball bearing blade guides, the machine ensures smooth and precise cuts. This design enhances both performance and durability. The bandsaw comes with a 3/8-inch blade, an extruded aluminum fence, and a miter gauge. These accessories provide added convenience and accuracy for your projects. What we like. This bandsaw boasts a powerful 1 HP motor, making it ideal for tackling tough cuts. It's also pre-wired for both 110V and 220V, offering flexibility in your shop setup. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile bandsaw for various woodworking projects, this one is a solid choice. What people say. The saw has plenty of power and the fence is accurate. The blade that came with the saw is good quality. The table is solid and the adjustments are easy to make. Number 4. Laguna Tools Band 1412-175 14x12 Bandsaw. This bandsaw is a powerful tool for any workshop. It's designed for precision and durability, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. The bandsaw comes pre-wired for 115-volt operation, offering convenience and ease of use. You can easily plug it in and start working on your projects. It features Laguna guides for superior blade support and accurate cuts. These guides ensure smooth operation and extend the life of the blade. With a 13-inch resaw capacity, it can handle large pieces of wood. This feature allows you to make wider cuts and expand your woodworking capabilities. The bandsaw includes a 4-inch dust port for efficient dust collection. This helps keep your workspace clean and improves air quality. The table height is set at 38 inches, providing a comfortable working position. This ergonomic design reduces strain during extended use. It also includes a 110-volt outlet for powering other tools. This adds to the versatility and convenience of the bandsaw. What we like. With its impressive 13 resaw capacity, this bandsaw is perfect for handling larger pieces of wood. The integrated 110V outlet adds convenience for powering other tools. If you frequently work with thick stock or need a bandsaw with added convenience, this machine is worth considering. What people say. The saw has plenty of power. The fence is easy to adjust and locks down solid. The blade guides are easy to adjust. Number 3. Delta 28-087 Bandsaw Blade. This blade features the RK series, designed for fine detail work. It allows for exceptionally tight turns and produces a thin kerf, making it perfect for intricate projects. This ensures clean and accurate cuts. The blade's hardened front and rear edges guarantee optimal sharpness and accuracy. Constructed from Swedish silicon steel, it runs cooler and lasts longer, providing consistent performance. This premium blade is part of the Timberwolf sub-brand. Each blade is marked by series, making it easy to select the right one for your specific task. Whether you're working with wood or other materials, this blade ensures you get the best results. It's designed for ease of use and optimal performance. The blade has a length of 13.75 inches, a width of 11.5 inches, and weighs 6.4 ounces. Its dimensions are optimized for various bandsaw models, ensuring a perfect fit. This makes it a versatile tool for your workshop. Visit our brand store to explore a wide range of tools and hardware. From bandsaw blades to table saws, you'll find everything you need for your projects. Discover high-quality tools that will suit your everyday needs. What we like. This blade is designed for fine detail work, allowing you to make exceptionally tight turns. The hardened edges ensure optimum sharpness and accuracy, while the Swedish silicon steel construction makes the blade run cooler and last longer. If you are looking for a blade for fine detail work, this is a great choice. What people say. The saw has plenty of power and the fence is accurate. The blade that came with the saw is good quality. The table is solid and easy to adjust. Number 2. RIKON 10-326/14 Deluxe Bandsaw. This redesigned bandsaw has 3 innovative, patent-pending features. They make adjusting this saw easier than ever before. Let's take a look. Setting the guides is now easy and fast. You can adjust them without any wrenches. This feature saves you time and effort. Adjusting for drift is simple with this fence. Just turn a few knobs, and you're set. No tools are needed for this adjustment. Setting table angles is quick and easy. A handy lever and gear unlock and set the angles in seconds. This system is very user-friendly. The fence and resaw bar heights are increased to 6. This provides added support for lumber. It helps with both ripping and resawing tasks. What we like. This bandsaw features innovative, patent-pending features for easy adjustments. The toolless blade guides and quick adjust rip fence save you time and effort. If you value ease of use and quick adjustments in your woodworking, this bandsaw will be a great addition to your shop. What people say. The saw has plenty of power. The fence is easy to adjust and stays where you put it. The blade guides are easy to adjust. Number 1. Powermatic PWBS 14CS 14-inch woodworking bandsaw. This bandsaw features a Carter quick tension lever. It speeds up blade changes, and the detention setting helps extend blade life when not in use. This feature makes the saw more efficient and user-friendly. The built-in chip blower ensures a clear view of the cut line. This allows for precise cuts every time. It keeps the work area clean and enhances accuracy. It has a durable micro-adjustable dual-bearing blade guide system. This system, located above and below the table, provides close blade control. This reduces friction and improves the quality of the cuts. The bandsaw includes an easy-to-read tensioning gauge. The settings are clearly indicated in blade width increments. This feature simplifies blade adjustments and ensures optimal performance. It comes with an exclusively designed, quick-release precision T-square style rip fence. It also includes a 4 resaw attachment. This fence provides accurate and stable support for your work. The bandsaw features precision-balanced 9-spoke cast iron wheels. These wheels reduce vibration, leading to smoother blade travel. This results in cleaner cuts and a better overall experience. A 60-watt adjustable lamp is included to provide direct light on the blade and workpiece. This enhances visibility while cutting. It ensures precision and safety during operation. What we like. This bandsaw features a quick tension lever for fast blade changes and a chip blower to keep your cut line clear. The dual-bearing blade guide system provides close blade control. If you like a bandsaw with features that enhance precision and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The saw has plenty of power. The blade that came with the saw is of good quality. The fence is easy to adjust and stays where you put it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.